I'm author Bria Burton, and you might hear my Roomba vacuum in the background because I've decided to interview the robot vacuum. If you follow me on social media, you may have seen some of my posts about an upcoming short story that I'm writing as part of an anthology. It's a humor story, so this is my first real attempt at making a story primarily in humor spectrum. And here's Roomba right now. We're gonna interview him in a minute, but I just wanna he's hitting my chair now. Okay, just be patient. All right. It's a little demanding. He does a good job, so I don't want to complain too much, but let me finish the intro. Okay. So this humor story that I'm writing is part of an anthology called The Light Fantastic. And there are 9 of us, authors from the Alvarium Experiment, and we are taking speculative fiction stories, that would be fantasy, science fiction, horror, and making it humorous. Because we've done anthologies before together, and we thought this seems to be a great time to do a humor anthology because can't we all use a little more laughter these days? I know I could. Roomba just ran into my chair again. So we'll get to the interview, and the reason that I'm choosing to interview my robot vacuum is because my humor story, this all ties together, I promise. It's about an artificial intelligence that doesn't exactly do what the creator intended. So you get the picture. Think Skynet, only not as dark, because it is a humor story. Okay, so let's get started. I think I'll stick to yes or no questions since I don't think he'll be able to elaborate. Um, Question number 1, Roomba, are you happy? Like, do you enjoy your work here and cleaning and vacuuming? Yeah. Oh, good. I'm so glad you're happy here and that you enjoy your work because I enjoy your work. It helps me so much. Okay, question number 2. What do I want to ask him? I mean, I know that he's happy. That kind of is all I need to know. Wait, there is one other important question that should be asked. Okay, Roomba. Do you have any aspirations for world domination? Oh, good, good. I'm so glad that you have no intentions to take over the world. That's good. That's good, robot vacuum. Good. Um, it puts me in mind of one other question. Do you intend to take over the house here, our home? Do you have any aspirations for that? Okay, that's all the time we have today. I'm gonna need to go decommission. Just turn off the vacuum forever. So thank you for joining me in this interview, and check out my story when it launches on September 5th with the Alvarium Experiment. Check out all this info. I gotta go.